Hey, it's H here. Today we're taking a look at technical analysis for Bitcoin. I'll cover wave analysis with Elliott Wave theory and provide multiple scenarios the price may take and explain why I prefer one counter over another. Let's take a look at the different possibilities. Starting here in a bit higher time frame on 1 hour and taking a look at this structure here. We were talking about the higher time frame picture a bit earlier on the day or the day before, or yesterday or the day before if you want to check those out. Now on this structure coming down from these highs around 25.2k, we've had this structure as a wave 1, 2, 3, 4 and then looking for this fifth. Now wave 3 was already a bit extended, so we did not expect any extension here on fifth, although it looks like we definitely are getting one. In this wave 5 we would be getting this as a wave 1, 2, 3 and now possible 4 and then looking for this last fifth here. There was some posts shared on Discord about this being some kind of triangle here. So for me, I don't really see this as a possibility, because if we are looking at the substructures here, this structure here would have to be a three-way structure, and I just don't see that. So to me, this triangle idea is not that valid. So I'm preferring not to use it at all. Now, if we are just looking at the structures after this wave, possible wave 2 that we were talking about yesterday, we could have this as a leading diagonal. However, we did not take out the lows here. And one of the rules on, at least some of the rules that I follow on diagonals, is that you can't have a truncation on a diagonal. So this would have taken out these lows. So in that case, we would have this as a three-way structure, and this another three-wave, and then this another three-wave. So what could be linking up with that is the fact that we could have this as a three-way structure like so then. If we have that as a three-wave, what is it part of? Possibly this ABC, ABC and then again ABC. However, if we are looking this structure as another five-way structure downwards, we can't really take out this high. Otherwise, this structure is the finishing structure of something, because it can't end, or it can't start anything with a five-way move and then go beyond the starting point here. So at that point, if we are going to be breaking these highs, then I would be again still assuming that we are going to be having this as this truncated fifth, although this structure here is not impulsive by any means. But yeah, that is just one possibility. What if we are going to continue downwards? What do we see here? Well, we could be still having some kind of, well, I'm not even quite sure. This here could be some kind of a diagonal, leading diagonal possibly. I'm not quite even sure how we would be labeling that. Maybe it is not done, and this would be something like that. It is super ugly, but that way at least we could be getting one more low here, and then possible another wave 1, 2 here. Again, it would be taking a lot more time than the previous wave 1, which was very impulsive to the downside. So none of the options here really seem too plausible. So that's why I'm a bit skeptical, and I'm not going to be taking any entries at this moment. I'm still on my short with ETH and Bitcoin from around these highs. I think it was this retracement that I got in. But unfortunately, this structure here just doesn't look the way I want it to look like. So I'm a bit wary of that as well. So currently, again, I'm not taking any other trades here. Of course, we could be going higher and getting stopped out here, but that is just trading. This definitely looked like a possibility to the downside, and I would take that 10 out of 10. Just because, again, we were expecting more downside to come. But yeah, that is pretty much everything at the very moment on Bitcoin. I don't have a clear count, unfortunately, here, so I'm just going to be sticking with what I have here on the previous structures and looking for the invalidation points, invalidating some of the counts if needed. But yeah, that's pretty much everything I want to cover, and if you made it this far into the video, I would appreciate the likes. Link to my free Discord server in the description below, and for now I thank you for watching and hope you have an amazing rest of your day. See you in the next video. Bye bye.